How to fix network path was not found error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix network path was not found error. The code is 0x80070035. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you'll need to open up your services. For that, head over to your Windows search bar and search for services. After you find services, open it up. Now under services, you will need to find a service called your TCP IP. So simply search for it and it should be right here. This is the one, TCP IP Net BIOS Helper. So double tap on it and open it up. Now under here, under the startup type, you'll need to select automatic. And after you select automatic, tap on apply and then tap on OK. After you do that, the next step you'll need to take is you'll need to open up your network connections. For that, again, head over to the search bar and search for network connections. So you'll see view network connections, open it up. After you open it up, then you can then select the network that you're connected to. Then you can head over to the properties section here, tap on properties, and after you're on your properties, you can see different sections here. Now here you will find an option called your TCP IP, and it should be right around here. Let me search. So it should be right around here, Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IP. You can double tap on it and it should open this up. Then head over to advanced, and under advanced, head over to this WINS option, and now simply select enable net BIOS over TCP IP and then hit OK. After you do that, your problem will get fixed, and that's how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.